Welcome back, dear students. Class 6 Science Chapter 5th Separation of Substances. This is the video part 2. In part 1 we have seen separation of solid material or substances like threshing, etc. Now we will see about winnowing. So what is winnowing? This was pending. So beta, as you can see in the picture, there is a lady who is doing the process of winnowing in the presence of air, blowing air. So and the lighter particle, जो हल्के पार्टिकल हैं वो उड़ के हवा से दूसरी साइड में जा रहे हैं. They are blown away by the wind, and the heavier particle, जो भारी पार्टिकल हैं like grains, अनाज के दाने, they are settling and forming a heap. HEAP, heap मतलब ढेर. They are forming a heap of grains just below. So we are starting. When a farmer threshes wheat crop in his field, he gets a mixture of wheat grains and husk. जब एक फार्मर किसान अपनी खेती करता है तो उसे wheat, जो गेहूं है, उसके साथ में हस्क, उसकी जो ऊपर की कवरिंग है, दैट लेयर, हस्क, भूसी जिसे कहते हैं, वो और दाना दोनों मिलते हैं. आफ्टर थ्रेशिंग, बिफोर व्हीट ग्रेन कैन बी यूज्ड, हस्क हैज़ टू बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम देम. गेहूं के दाने को यूज़ करने के पहले उसमें से जो लगा हुआ आउटर कवरिंग है, दैट आउटर कवरिंग शुड बी रिमूव्ड. हस्क, जो भूसी है, वो अटैच है अनाज के दाने से, गेहूं के दाने से, दैट हैज़ टू बी रिमूव्ड, उसे अलग करना ज़रूरी है. द हस्क इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम व्हीट ग्रेन्स बाय द मैथड नोन एज विनोइंग. विनोइंग इन हिंदी, दिस इज नोन एज ओसाना, with the help of blowing air, winnowing. Now we'll see the definition of winnowing. Winnowing is the method of separating husk from grains with the help of wind. So what is winnowing? Winnowing is the method of separating husk, bhusi, in Hindi bhusi, husk from grains, गेहूं के दाने से अलग करना, with the help of wind, बहती हवा के presence में. हस्क इज़ वेरी लाइट, लाइटर इन वेट, हल्का होता है. वेयर एज व्हीट ग्रेन, जो गेहूं का दाना है, दैट इज हैवियर एज कंपेयर टू हस्क. विनोइंग इज डन यूजिंग विनोइंग बास्केट. द फार्मर स्टैंड एट अ हायर प्लेटफॉर्म फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड एंड अलाउज द मिक्सचर ऑफ व्हीट ग्रेन एंड हस्क टू फॉल डाउन, एज यू कैन इन द फिगर सी इन द फिगर बेटर. Wheat grains are allowed to fall down, and the remaining husk or lighter particle that is blown away from the air with the help of air fall down, okay, from a height by shaking his winnowing basket continuously. The wheat grains being heavy fall down vertically standing line, standing position, सीधे, vertically to the ground to form a heap of wheat grains, ढेर बनाना. The husk particle being lighter are carried away by wind to a greater distance. हवा क्या करती है, जो हल्के पार्टिकल हैं, जो हस्क है, उसको उड़ा ले जाती है. So the husk form a separate heap at a some distance away from the heap of wheat grains. In this way, husk gets separated फ्रॉम व्हीट ग्रेन्स, और इस तरीके से व्हीट और हस्क को अलग कर लिया जाता है. वी आर सेपरेटिंग. द मैथड ऑफ विनोइंग इज यूज टू सेपरेट हस्क फ्रॉम द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रेन्स लाइक व्हीट एंड राइस. सो बेटा, दिस वॉज अबाउट विनोइंग प्रोसेस. नाउ विल सी अबाउट what is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Sedimentation, when we are allowing the solid particle or sand particle to get settled down. Sedimentation in Hindi this is known as अवसादन. इसमें हम जो सैंड पार्टिकल हैं, हैवियर पार्टिकल हैं, उनको हम सॉल्यूशन में सेटल डाउन होने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. एंड इन डिकेंटेशन, Decantation in Hindi, this is known as Nistaran. In this process, we are taking out pure form of liquid without shaking the beaker or without mixing the solid substance or impurities into it. And filtration. Filtration, छानना, with the help of filter paper, we are removing impure water from pure. So as you can see in the figure beta, now we'll see on our left hand side sedimentation. Sedimentation, the process in which the insoluble impurities, ऐसी impurity जो mix नहीं हुए, soluble नहीं है water में, they are settled down at the bottom of the liquid to form a sediment. Sediment form करना जब impurities like sand they are get settled down, they are known as sediment. Example, obtaining clear water from muddy water. जब हम मटमैले पानी से गंदे पानी को थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ देते हैं तो जो मिट्टी के पार्टिकल है, दो सॉइल पार्टिकल आफ्टर some time they are get settled down, and this process is known as sedimentation. The settling of solid or insoluble impurities is known as sedimentation. Heavier particles get settled down at the bottom, and this layer of insoluble impurities at the bottom is known as sediment. सेडिमेंट कहलाती है, जो नीचे बैठ जाना है, जम जाना है मिट्टी का, वो प्रोसेस सेडिमेंट कहलाती है. एंड द होल प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सेडिमेंटेशन. आफ्टर सेटलिंग डाउन द इम्प्यूरिटीज और insoluble impurities like sand, soil particle, dust particle, etc., what we are doing, we are taking out pure water into another beaker or vessel gently. So we'll see about what is decantation. Decantation is the process of gently pouring, gently धीरे से आराम से उड़ेलना, clear liquid into another beaker or pot without disturbing the sediment. sediment को, insoluble impurity को, सैंड पार्टिकल या सॉइल पार्टिकल को बिना डिस्टर्ब किए, बिना हिलाए, जब हम प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर को एक बीकर से दूसरे में ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डिकेंटेशन. ठीक है बेटा? ओके, नाउ विल सी व्हाट इज फिल्ट्रेशन. बेटा, इन on our right hand side you can say the process of filtration. In this, impure water is there, there is one funnel, that is a glass funnel, and filter paper is settled in the funnel. It forms cone shape area, and below that in the another beaker we have clear liquid known as filtrate. Okay beta, so we'll see what is filtration. The process by which very fine, बहुत ही महीन, insoluble, अघुलनशील solids can be separated from a liquid solid mixture by passing through a suitable porous थोड़ा सा खुरदुरा porous material like filter paper. The liquid obtained after the filtration is called filtrate. Example, tea is filtered using a strainer. जैसे हम चाय को निकालते हैं, मम्मी निकालती होगी, मम्मी किचन में, तो चाय देने के टाइम पर मम्मी क्या करती है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रेनर टी इज कलेक्टेड इन अ कप एंड द रिमेनिंग टी leaves and tea solid particles, they get settled down in strainer only. So this is the process known as filtration. Now we'll see in detail definition beta. Sedimentation is defined as the separation process in which solids are separated from liquid. All the solids settle down at the bottom of a beaker, and on top a clear layer of liquid is obtained. Sedimentation is a process in which insoluble solid particles, they will settle down and we will get pure or clear water above. Now second is the decantation. Decantation is defined as the separation process in which two immiscible liquid, aghulnsheel, immiscible, not mixable. For example, oil and water, they are immiscible. They will not mix with each other. Oil will float on the surface of water. पानी और तेल आपस में मिलते नहीं हैं, मिक्स नहीं होते, therefore they are known as immiscible. This is done by pouring out the clear upper layer of liquid. Separation of a mixture of oil from water is an example of decantation. Now we'll see what is filtration. Filtration is defined as the separation process in which insoluble impurities are separated from the solution. Filtration is done with the help of filter paper, like filtering mud from muddy water is an example of filtration. After filtration process, we will get clear liquid, that is known as filtrate. For example, tea. We are getting tea with the help of strainer. We are removing tea leaves in our kitchen. So beta, this was winnowing, sedimentation, decantation and filtration. In our next video, we will see about evaporation, condensation, these two. Thank you.